Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M34, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Display. Then scroll down again and click on Font Size and Style. Now tap on Font Style section and click on Download Fonts at the bottom of the list. Then click on this button next to Rosemary one to install it. Or just click on it and hit install at the bottom. Either way, when your Rosemary font is ready, go back and click on it over here to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!